In this video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to remove permanently your Apple ID account in here. Let's say you do have an iPhone and you do have, of course, your Apple account, because it's compulsory for you to have an Apple ID for your phone to work properly and to use all the features here offered by Apple. Now, let's say that you want to sell your phone, you want to trade in, for example, on Facebook Marketplace or anything like that, and you wish to remove your Apple ID so you can delete all your data and sell your iPhone properly, or if you simply want to remove your Apple ID for your specific reason. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video, and do not worry, this will work regardless of your iPhone model. Whether you do have a much recent iPhone model or a much older one, the process will work for you. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool Apple devices related stuff. Consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, this is a very simple process in here. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. First things first, let's hop into settings real quick. Next up, here at the top is where you actually get access to your specific Apple ID details. Let me hop into my Apple ID account, and right here at the top we do have my email address, or simply my Apple ID email address. Okay, so once you give a look at it, the next thing you want to do is simply scroll down here all the way down and tap on sign out. Once you tap on sign out, it's going to ask you whether you want to erase all the information from this specific device or not, or you simply want to sign out but you wish to maintain and keep the information here within your iPhone device. So this 100% depends on whether you want to sell it or trade in or not, so select the option according to your preference. In my case, I would go with sign out but don't erase in here. So this is how you can actually sign out from your iCloud account on much newer operating systems. Now, we do have much older operating systems in here. For example, I'm going to show you how that would work here on a much older operating system. I do have this iPad in here, which is quite old, running an old operating system in here. On old operating system iPhones or iPads, for example, you just want to hop into settings real quick in here, and then here at the inferior left corner we do have iCloud right here. You want to hop into iCloud in here once, and you'll be able to see at the top right corner your email address. So over here you do have as well information of all specific apps which are using your iCloud account in here at the right side, right? We do have all these apps in here synced with your iCloud account. Now all you want to do is simply scroll down all the way to sign out in here, and then tap on sign out to sign out from your Apple ID account. Next up, simply tap on sign out. There we go, it's now processing, and then simply tap on delete in here. We're gonna delete all the information here from my iPad. In my case, I'm gonna tap on delete from my iPad, and there we go, it's now taking place. Let me quickly type in my passcode so we can actually completely delete my Apple ID account from my iPhone or my iPad device. There we go, I've just typed in my passcode, and it's now taking place right now. It's signing out. As you can see, you need to be connected to the internet. There we go, it's signing out. A few more seconds. Let's wait and be patient. Depending on how old your device is, this may take much longer, or it can be much faster. Let's wait for a couple of seconds and let our iPad do its thing. There we go, the process is now complete, and one thing I would recommend you guys to do, even after removing your Apple ID, in case you wish to sell your device or anything like that, I would recommend you guys to reset your device. So in this iPad, for example, I'm gonna hop into general in here. I'm gonna scroll down all the way to reset down here. Tap on reset once, and then tap on erase all content and settings. Tap on erase. This will immediately erase all the data that you had on your phone in case you wish to sell your device or trade it, because you may have removed your iCloud, but for security reasons it's better to erase your iPad or iPhone so you're 100% sure that no trace or no information or piece of data has been left behind. Because if you have left something important, it can be used to, for example, a malicious purpose, such as a hacker can use an information to get access to your bank account details or any other measure, any other end. Okay, let's tap on erase. It's going to take you a couple seconds or minutes, and the process will take place in no time. There we go, erase process has started, or simply a restoration process. Now, what essentially this does, it erases all data from your device, and your iPhone or iPad will be set as a brand new device ready to be set from scratch. Now you need to perform this after removing your Apple ID account. It's very important, okay? It's now taking place. We do have a few progress bars over there. Just wait, be patient, and your iPad or iPhone will be turned on normally and as a brand new device, as if it has been reset to factory settings, or as if it has just been bought from the Apple Store as a brand new device. There we go. Let's be patient. Let's wait just for a couple more seconds. We do have a new progress bar in here taking place. This probably will take you around 5 minutes, if not seconds. If you have a much newer device such as an iPhone 17 or 16, the process will be much faster. Now here we go. While the process takes place in here, I'm going to show you how to do it in this one as well. So we're simply going to hop into settings, okay, by simply tapping here on settings. You want to scroll down, hop into general, scroll down once again, and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next up, we're going to tap on erase all content and settings, and then it's going to ask you to actually log in, sign in with your Apple ID account or your passcode in order to erase all data from your Apple device. There we go. I'm going to tap on continue, and then you can also tap on delete eSIM and erase data. eSIM is something very important. If you had your eSIM set up with your phone, it's important also to delete so nobody can get access to your private messages. For example, bank account verification codes, WhatsApp verification codes, which is a very common method of getting hacked. A lot of hackers target your WhatsApp and then keep on sending messages, for example, asking for money to your contacts or stuff like that. So you want to select delete eSIMs and erase all data. All data will be erased and reset here from your Apple device in much newer devices. On much newer devices, the process is much faster. It doesn't take all this time. Now, once this is complete, you'll be brought in here to this screen which says hello, hola, and hi in different languages in here, from where you're going to configure your iPhone or iPad from scratch. Okay, let me quickly just slide it to the right, and it's going to ask me to set up my language. Let me go with English in here. You just need to connect to a Wi-Fi network to set up your iPad here from scratch as if it's a brand new iPad or iPhone. Now here you want to actually configure all the information from the new owner. This is something that the new owner needs to do, and I'm just doing it just to show it to you guys that all data has vanished. Your iCloud has been completely removed in here. Now you want to scroll down all the way to your country, select a region. For example, I'll be going with United States in here. Next up, you need to choose your network in here, or a Wi-Fi network, right? You need to select one, connect to it, and insert the password so your phone or your iPad can connect and interact with Apple servers themselves, so it can update and recognize your iPad as something that really exists. Let me tap on this Wi-Fi network, for example. There we go. It's now activating my iPhone or my iPad. Just need to wait for a couple more seconds. Let Apple do its thing. There we go. It's done. Next up, you can disable location services as of now because we're just setting it up right now. Passcode options in here. I'm going to tap on don't add passcode. There we go. Continue. I'm okay with that. I'll be tapping on setup as a new iPad. This is very important in here. Set up this feature as a new iPad. And then as you can see, you do not have any iCloud anymore. Now I'm going to tap here on don't have. I'm going to tap on setup later in settings, and then don't use right now. There we go. We do have a couple more settings in here that need to be set. It's just processing. Let's wait. Terms and conditions. Simply agree with the terms and conditions down here, and then turn on Siri later. I'll be going with don't send as of now, and then welcome to your iPad. Let me tap on get started, and boom, here we go. You're good to go, and you don't have any sort of data. You do not have your Apple ID here set anymore. Everything looks brand new. So this is how you can actually remove your Apple ID completely from your iPad, from your iPhone, regardless of the model that you've got. I do have a much older iPad in here on my side, and I also showed you how to do it on your iPhone as well, which is a much newer one, an iPhone 16 Pro. And this is it for today's video. I hope you found today's video really helpful, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.